Good morning. My name is Emilio Aleman. I'm a senior product manager for Ikegami. We're here at the NAB New York show. Very exciting this year here at the New York NAB show is our Ikegami UHL-X40, which is a two-piece POV camera that has broadcast quality video. It has all the features and all the controls that you expect from a broadcast quality camera. It's a 3-sensor camera with 2/3 inch 4K sensors with very high sensitivity, f10, 62 dB signal to noise, and multiple format outputs, including UHD. So the camera is controlled by the processing unit, but you can see it's a single cable that transmits all the signals from the camera down to its processing unit. And what's interesting about the processing unit is that you could put that anywhere, and it has all the inputs and outputs that you would expect from a broadcast camera, including 4K, SDI, 1080p, 1080i, 720p, multi-format outputs. So it's very power efficient, and it's very easy to use, and it's very small and compact. The big advantage of the camera head is that it's very small and allows you to use a very big lens on it. So it's very good for housings. If you have a housing that you have to put the camera in for point of view applications, and you have full control via this OCP control panel, which allows you to control every single parameter of the camera via multiple menus. You're allowed to change, for example, your gammas, your gains, your details, full colorimetry, changing filters, changing skin tone detail, changing the way the camera focuses. It has a remote zoom and focus. So it's a very well thought out product, and it's a product that we expect to sell for many applications, not only just for broadcast, but for point of view applications in government and border security and long distance observation applications. For those that would like to know, the UHL-X40 is available now. The camera is shipping. List price is $52,000. That does not include the lens that you might want to put on it. And it's another $3,000 or $4,000 for the control panel should you want a broadcast type control panel. So we look forward to doing a demonstration for you. Let us know if you have any interest on the UHL-X40. Again, Ikegami at the NAB 2025 show. Thank you for watching our video. This is Emilio Aleman, Senior Product Manager for Ikegami, and I look forward to talking to you and doing a demo. All right. Let me know when it's ready. Here's my card.
Thank you.